guys, so today I'll be walking you through how to register business name with CAC registration. But the first thing we'll be looking at today is how to create accounts. Then in our subsequent tutorial we'll look at how to register a business name or how to register a company. So the first thing you need to do is log on to pre.cac.gov.ng. that is what is on my screen here. So it will take you to this platform, pre.cac.gov.ng. so it will bring you to this platform. This is where you are going to either become an accredited agent or you create accounts for yourself. Any of the two, it will still take you to pre.cac.gov.ng. so when you are on pre.cac.gov.ng, all you need to do is click on register. Now if you click on create accounts, that is, which is register, you have two options, two buttons here to be checked. Is either you want to continue existing or queried registration, or you want to become an accredited agent. Anyway, if you have an registration that is ongoing, you can check this. Then an email will be asked with the phone number of the account. Then some other information will be sent to you. But if you want to become an accredited agent, all you need to do is check this. Now, who can become accredited agents? If you want to become an accredited agent, you have to be a member of any of these institutions. If you're not a member of any of these platforms, how do you go about and register or create accounts for yourself or register business for other people? You can decide to uncheck this, then fill in all this information, click on register. So once you click on register, account created successfully, please verify your address and login. Now a message has been sent to your email box. All you need to do is locate a message will be sent to your email address. All you need to do is locate the message in your email box, then click on the link attached to the mail which you received. Then voila, your registration will be confirmed fully. So all you need to do is click on this, click here. So it will take you to put.cac.gov.ng actually, which means you want to verify your email. Now once your email has been verified, you can see email confirmed. All you need to do is click on login, then input the either your username. You can use username or the email address which you used to sign up to continue your account. So after that, click on input your password, then click on login. So once you are in, you are done with your account registration like that. So other settings you need to do on your account, let me show you. The first thing you need to do is you need to go and complete the information on your profile. So click on edit profile, then confirm all the information which you have here. Confirm all the information if they are correct, then add your signature and the passport photograph of yours here. Add it here, then click on save. After that, in the next tutorial I will walk you through how to go ahead and reserve a business name and other stuffs. See you in the next class. Bye bye.